GM everyone. Here's a quick video about Mantle and what you need to know before building on Mantle. So Mantle is building a blockchain for banking. That's the TLDR. We try to bring crypto users into everyday kind of finance apps. So the grand vision is to obviously incubate and support financial applications, not only financial but also like consumer, right? And of course, one of the key cornerstones or pillars for us to make this happen is Mantle Network, along with many other products that we are building. So here's a quick overview of those products. As I mentioned, Mantle Network, which is an L2. Likely you're going to be deploying something on Mantle if this video interests you. So yeah, basically we're just an Ethereum L2. Anything you can build on Ethereum, on Base or other blockchains, you can also build on Mantle. On top of Mantle is one of our core products, METH Protocol, which is a liquid staking token, right? Which allows people to tap into that liquidity and earn yield. A very similar product is Function BTC, right? It's basically a Bitcoin yield product. What that means for you developers is that you can tap into the liquidity that FBTC offers and kind of channel that back to the user. One thing that's probably less relevant for you is Mantle Index 4, which is basically our index fund that allows institutional investors and kind of more accredited investors to invest into kind of a basket of assets. Then there's UR, which is our banking play, right? We are building kind of Revolut for Web3, a borderless crypto-first neobank. And basically the plan is to make it very easy to spend, to off-ramp, and kind of use and manage your portfolio all in one app. And last but not least, we're working on Mantle X, which is our attempt to kind of move and be relevant with the AI space, right? So we're building a team of really cracked AI engineers, AI researchers, to see and find a way to kind of build some products for maybe powering our internal products, the ones that I just mentioned, or even incubate products that would make the lives of developers on crypto easy. So moving on to the bounty overview. So what we're looking for and what we're expecting from builders in this hackathon are basically two things, right? And it could be categorized into two things. The financial application, right? Whether it's DeFi, payments, stablecoins, or anything that is like pushing the boundaries of finance, we would love to see that, right? That's actually our focus. You probably guessed it by the products that we've built internally at Mantle as well. So we want to incubate and kind of support builders who are thinking of how to support builders around the world and how to support users around the world into kind of moving DeFi on chain, moving finance on chain, and yeah, all those great things. Some of the qualifications for this track, as well as the next track, honestly, is that these projects have to be aligned with the Mantle ecosystem in a way. Maybe you're tapping into the METH yield, maybe you're tapping into the FPTC yield, or you're just kind of building on the Mantle blockchain itself, or using one of our ecosystem projects to power your application, right? If you have any on-chain components, the requirement would be to have it on Mantle Network, right? There's no requirement to build on Mantle mainnet. You can deploy that on Mantle Sepolia testnet, and you would be eligible for this prize. The second track is we call it the best killer app, right? So what does that actually mean? Anything that is outside of DeFi, anything that's outside of all the financial applications I just mentioned would also be eligible, because we don't only just care about finance, we care about real products, right? Real consumer applications, real gaming applications, and so on and so forth. So please, if you're applying for this track, make sure you're building the best possible user experience you can think of, kind of, unlocking your imagination and trying cool things, right? For this track, we welcome experimentation and things that have never been done before. The qualifications to be eligible are very similar to the previous track, right? Just have an alignment with one of our products in the Mantle ecosystem. Could be anything. And also, yeah, if you have a on-chain component, a smart contract, it has to be deployed in either Mantle mainnet or Mantle Sepolia testnet, right? Here are some resources that would help you build on Mantle. First is the overall developer documentation, right? If you, as you can see, there are a couple of links I left here. So one of them is just purely the network details. You can always see the faucet, the some information about the token, the chain ID, and all that stuff, right? The first step, I guess, to building on Mantle would be this: a list of contracts and all that stuff, right? Secondly, all the ways to deploy on Mantle, right? So we have basically 4 guides on how to deploy using Remix, Hardhat, Foundry, or Thirdweb, right? I'm personally a Foundry fan, so here's how the, I guess, Foundry way of deploying looks like. You would have to just simply use one of these commands, right? That we have already kind of written for you, and yeah, just go for it. And of course, if you're deploying a contract on kind of Mantle or like Mantle mainnet or Mantle Sepolia testnet, you would have to verify it for us to be sure that that's actually the code. So again, there's many ways to verify your contract on chain on Mantle, either via Hardhat, Foundry, or the Explorer app. Again, it's simply just one command. You can just copy it from here. So other than that, you would probably need the resources and tooling tab. Basically, this is a collection of the resources that you can use to build your apps on Mantle, right? Whether that's our own internal APIs or SDKs, or kind of the tools that external partners integrated into Mantle. So here are some of the links, right? The Mantle API, some developer frameworks, some account abstraction things, indexing wallets, anything that you need from Privy, Omni, and all those partners that have Mantle supported, right? And then the next step, I guess, with building on Mantle would be to get some testnet funds, right? So I've also left a link to our Mantle Sepolia testnet faucet. Please use it to get some Mantle MNT on Mantle Sepolia testnet, and yeah, build and deploy your smart contract on Mantle. And then here's something that kind of touches upon how your journey on Mantle may continue after this hackathon, right? One of the things that we really focused our attention into is our online hackathon called the Cookathon, which is basically a monthly hackathon up until October. So every month we have 10K in bounties and also a 5K prize pool for everyone who reaches the 3rd phase qualifiers. So every month is split into kind of 3 phases. The first being kind of just the idea. You only submit your idea and what you want to build. After that, you go on and build your MVP, which is the 2nd phase. And the 3rd phase is obviously building a real product that we can play with and kind of see in action. So whoever kind of reaches the 3rd phase already gets like the ability to be part of the 5K prize pool, right? And yeah, we are supported with a bunch of partners. So yeah, so this is one of the first things that you can do after this hackathon. The second thing is the Lightning Grants program. So some points on why you would actually want to apply for a grant from us, right? And specifically through this program. Well, first of all, it's fast, right? And we truly believe that many ideas are just kind of left lying around. So we try to be as fast as possible, right? We will review all the new applications weekly, try to give a response as soon as possible, and the funds will be dispersed also as soon as possible so that you can start working on your product. Secondly, it's pretty easy, right? The application is like only a few minutes for you to fill up, so I don't think you would need to kind of prep a lot here. And thirdly, it's public, right? Every grantee gets to kind of tell the story to everyone online to why they're the right person or the right team to build whatever the product is. So please do go to lightning.mantle.xyz and apply to a grant if that's applicable to you. And the third thing is, we have had previously a lot of accelerators and ways, these accelerators allow us to continue to support the Builder ecosystem. So first was during the kind of Telegram mini app hype, we did a accelerator with Ton Ventures. Then we did an accelerator with Odisaya in LATAM, as well as an accelerator with HackQuest in it's a global accelerator, but I think the focus was purely in kind of the APAC region. So and the third thing is accelerators. We have done many accelerators previously, predominantly and the third thing is accelerators. We've done many accelerators previously, mainly the Mantle X Ton Ventures accelerator during the Telegram mini apps hype, as well as the Mantle X HackQuest accelerator, which was a global accelerator for projects in mainly APAC region. But yeah, we opened up the application for everyone globally, as well as an accelerator with Odisaya and LATAM. So please be sure to stay tuned for the next announcement of our accelerator. Just some alpha, it's probably going to be in the LATAM region. With that being said, please be sure to check out the links in the resources section, right? And yeah, I'm going to pass it on to myself with a workshop on AI agents. Happy hacking.